Our living spaces remain static, lacking the intelligence to adjust to our dynamic needs. We have to turn appliances on and off manually, which is a hassle and waste of energy. While some fancy homes are already smart and most of us are stuck in manual age. We want to change that by making homes automate where electronics act on their own with the help of just a device. Super Extension transforms manual appliances into smart ones without the need of any smart device control directly through your smartphone. Schedules routines, set timers, sensor-based activation, automates repetitive tasks for ultimate convenience.
This is our IoT product and Super Extension board which converts manual home devices connected to it into smart ones. It has the features of on and off. Using your smartphone, you can turn on and off any of these sockets, and the next feature is scheduling. You can schedule the devices connected to it, and it also has sensor based activation. The sensors connected to it are IR sensor, temperature and humidity sensor, and motion sensor. So we are turning on the socket 1 right now. You can see the red light here. The all out is currently off. Now we can turn on the socket 1. The all out socket gets on and the device starts. Similarly, we can control any of these sockets. It also has scheduling feature. The scheduler, we have to schedule the device by setting the time and date.
Sensor-based activation with the help of various sensors, we can control and rather automate all the devices. Beyond simple control, our device works with sensors and unlocks its true potential. The speed of fan adjusting with the temperature, light adjusting based on brightness. It has NFC card, effortlessly control the connected device using an RFID tag. Indeed, an authorized RFID tag. Automation using ML, saying goodbye to the preset schedules and manual adjustments. Our device learns your habits and preferences by collecting sensor data.